Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pad on Mercedes GLC 2016. To do that, turn the ignition on position 1. Make sure it's got the mileage screen on. Press and hold the telephone answering button, and within second press the OK button. Okay, press and hold within 1 second. Press and hold OK. Let's bring up this screen. Scroll down to brake pad replacement. Press OK. Move to this fitting position with OK. Press OK. Now moving to the fitting position. Now the caliper is winding back. Right. Fitting position reach. To exit, fitting position OK. So now we need to change the brake pad. Okay, we have replaced the rear brake pad. Now we need to wind the rear caliper piston back to the position. Okay, we need to press OK button. Exiting fitting position now. Fitting position has been exited. Confirm with OK. Okay, that's it. All done. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.